Look how poor I am with all these things. I only have 2 squishies and 2 slime.
Okay, squishy trading session open. Does anybody want to trade?
Me. Gosh, look how much she has. I'm open for selling this for something you have.
Let's see. I'll trade you this Thai tea thinking putty for it.
Yes. Mine. Still pretty poor. I still only have 4. I should scam her. Guys, I have a great idea. I'm gonna trade her this, but I'm gonna empty it out. I like it way too much to trade this. I'm gonna put it right there. Put the lid on. Trading this liquid glass Crazy Erin's thinking putty.
I accept the offer. I totally want that liquid glass thinking putty. Guys, I'm actually gonna scam her. I'm gonna pretend that there's a squishy in here. So I'm gonna take away this orange one and pretend it's in there. She'll never know. I'm just gonna hide the squishy so that she doesn't see that it's still here. Because then she'll know that there's nothing inside there. I'll trade this super rare deluxe squishy for it.
Did you say super rare deluxe?
It's deluxe. Like, you cannot find it anywhere.
Accept!
Let's see it. She scammed me! She scammed me!
Well, that's all the fidget trading for today. Hope you see more. Bye. Subscribe.